Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Instagram features and tools and tutorial, and today I would like to show to you the way how you can extract the file that is saved on a zip format on your iPhone. So here you just need to find the files that is in a zip format by go open the files. Here, go click it, and then you just need to find the files. I would like to make it fast, so I would like to type zip on the search button. And here is the collection of zip files that I have on my iPhone. And if you want to extract the zip file or the file inside of this zip, you just need to go click the one of the folder. And then you just need to go click preview content, and then you just need to go click this share, and then you just need to go click save image. It will also work for other zip files here, guys, so you just need to try to find the files. Go click this preview, and then you just need to go click this share area, and then go click save image. So that is the way how you can extract the files from the zip format. Hopefully you found this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.